Did you know Cristiano Ronaldo almost lost everything, his reputation, his freedom, and millions of dollars, all because of a tax scandal? This is the untold story of how one of the greatest athletes of all time found himself on the brink of losing it all, facing scandals that could have ended his career. By the end of this, you'll see Ronaldo in a completely different light. Let's rewind to 2017. Ronaldo was unstoppable. He was breaking records, winning trophies, and earning millions in endorsements. His face was everywhere, on billboards, commercials, even shampoo bottles. He was living the dream, right? But while Ronaldo was busy scoring goals, the Spanish tax authorities were quietly preparing to drop a bombshell that would shake his world. Here's what went down. They accused Ronaldo of dodging 14.7 million euros in taxes. That's almost $16 million. He allegedly used offshore companies to hide income from his image rights. Now, if you're wondering, what are image rights? It's the money he makes just for being Cristiano Ronaldo. Think jerseys, ads, video games, basically, anytime his face or name earns cash. The authorities weren't playing around. They alleged Ronaldo funneled this money through tax havens instead of declaring it in Spain, where he played. Sounds bad, right? But Ronaldo denied everything, saying, and I quote, "I never hid anything, nor did I intend to evade taxes." Convincing? Maybe. But the prosecutors had receipts, documents showing the flow of money through offshore accounts tied to Ronaldo. By 2018, things escalated. Ronaldo was officially charged and faced 2 years in prison. Just imagine. One of the world's richest and most famous people, walking into a courtroom, his career on the line. But here's where it gets intense. Spain offered him a deal: plead guilty, pay a hefty fine, and avoid jail time. So, Ronaldo took the deal. But it wasn't cheap. It cost him 18.8 million euros, over $21 million. That's like buying 7 Bugatti Chirons in cash just to make your problems disappear. And while he avoided jail, the damage to his reputation? That was another story. And if you think that's the only storm Ronaldo faced, think again. Around this time, he was also dealing with a much darker scandal, a rape allegation that made global headlines. While Ronaldo denied the accusations, the case added another layer of scrutiny to his life. For years, it loomed over him, threatening to derail his career entirely. The case was eventually dismissed, but the shadow it cast was undeniable. Yet, Ronaldo is no ordinary athlete. He didn't let these scandals destroy him. Instead, he turned them into fuel for a comeback. Just months after settling his tax case, he signed a record-breaking $1 billion lifetime deal with Nike, transferred to Juventus for $100 million, and kept shattering records like nothing ever happened. Oh, and he's still one of the most followed people on Instagram. So, what's the takeaway here? Even the greatest can stumble. But the true measure of greatness? How you bounce back. Ronaldo turned what could have been career-ending moments into stepping stones for even greater success. If you want more jaw-dropping stories about the hidden side of the world's biggest names, hit that like button and subscribe.